Hello students, today we are going to start exercise 12.2. Question number 1. Write the time using AM, PM or noon or midnight. So this we have to convert this is 24 hours clock. So this we have to convert into 12-hour clock by using AM, PM or noon or midnight. So before that, here some rules are there for conversion of 24-hour clock's time to 12-hour clock time. So what are they? So number 1 is if the number formed by the first 2 digit, means this 2 digit before the colon, okay, left of a 24-hour clock, time is less than 12. If this time is less than 12, then it denotes the time before noon. So what it denotes? It is the time before noon and we will use AM. Okay, so next rule, if the number formed by the first 2 digits from the left of 24-hour clock time is more than 12, see here number 4, left of the column means column before the time is more than 12. So here 15 is there, so it denotes that the time is after 12. So we will write, so what we will do, we will make first difference between, means we will subtract the time minus 12. Okay, we will subtract the time and 12. So whatever number we will get, and then that is the time in noon time and we will write PM. Okay, and number 3rd rule is, if the number formed by the first 2 digit is 12, if the digit first before the colon means left side, that is 12, so it shows that time is after noon and PM is to be used with it, means it is afternoon and we will write PM. So, okay, so number 1, 7:40 hours. So before the colon the digit is 7, which is less than 12. So we will consider it is the morning time and we will write AM. So we will write 7:40 AM. Now number 2, 9:40 hours. So before the colon which digit is there? 9, which is less than 12, means it is morning time. So we will write 9:40 AM. Now number 3, 12:50 hours. So 12:50 hour means it is the noon time. Okay, so we will write in noon time, after 12 o'clock we will write PM. So 12:50 PM. Now number 4, 15:30 hours. So here 15, here after before the colon means left side, that is 15, which is more than 12. So what we have to do, we have to subtract 15 minus 12. So we will get 3. So we will write 3:30 PM. So which is, it denotes that it is the after noon time. So after noon time we will write PM. So our answer is 3:30 PM. Now number 5, 18:50 hours. So here also see, before the colon the number is more than 12. So what we have to do, we have to subtract. So 18 minus 12, we will get 8 minus 2, 6, 1 minus 1, 0. So in 12-hour clock we will, it is the time 6:50 PM. If more than 12 is there, then we will write PM. Now number 6, 21:30 hours. So here 21 is greater than 12. So what we have to do, we have to subtract 21 minus 12. So 1 minus 2 is not possible, so we have to borrow from 2. So this 2 will become 1 and this 1 will become 11. So 11 minus 2, 9. 1 minus 1, 0. So this is time 9:30 PM. Okay, more than 12. So it denotes noon, night time, means noon after we will write PM. So 9:30 is a night time, so we will write 9:30 PM. Now number 7, 14:05 hours. So 14 is more than 12. So what we will do, we will subtract 14 minus 12, we will get 2. So more than 12, so it denotes it is a noon time, so we will write PM. Number 8, 12 hours. So same way, before the colon the hour is 12, so it denotes that it is a noon time. Okay, so we will write 12. See here in minute side there is no number, only 12, in hours only 12 written. Okay, so it denotes that it is afternoon 12, so we will write here noon. So 12 noon. If any minutes is there after 12 1 12 2, then we will write 12:01 means 12:01 pm. Question number 2, write the following into 24-hour clock time. So here we have to convert this time into 24-hour clock. So in question, if AM is there, means AM denotes the time before noon 12. So AM is there, then we have to write the same time in 24-hour clock. See, number 1, 0:45 AM. So we will write the same time in 24-hour clock. We will write 4 digits, so 00:45 minutes hours. Then number 2, 2:50 AM. So here also in question AM is there, means this denotes that is the time before 12 noon, means it is the morning time. So we will write the same time 0 to 50 hours. Now number 3, 6:15 AM. So here also AM is there. This means this denote it is the time before 12 noon. So we will write the same time. So 06:15 hours. Now number 4, 11:30 AM. So same way it is, we will write the same time 11:30 hours. Now number 5, 1:30 PM. So here PM is there. So what we will do, we will add 12 to 1. Okay, in hour we will add 12. So 12 plus 1 we will get 13. So 13:30 hours. PM, what it denotes? It denotes the time that is after 12 noon. So we will write PM. So number 6, 6:15 PM. So same where PM is there. So we have to add 12 to hour. So 12 plus 6 we will get 18. So 18:15 hours. Now number 7, 7:30 PM. So same way PM is there. So we will add 12 to 7. So 12 plus 7 we will get 19. So 19:30 hours. Now number 8, 11 PM. So what we will do, here PM is there. So we will add. So 11 plus 12. So we will get 23. So 23 hours. 3. Convert the following into minutes. This we have to convert into minutes. So number 1 is there 10 hours. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So we are having in question 10 hours. So 10 hours equal to, what we will do, we will multiply 10 multiply by 60. So we will get 600 minutes. Now number 2, 24 hours. So same way, 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. We are having 24 hours. So 24 hour equal to, what we will do, we will multiply 24 multiply by 60. So we will get, so we have to multiply 60 multiply by 24. So first we will start with 4. 4 zeros are 0. 4 6 are 24. So now we will write here 1 0. So 2 zeros are 0. 2 6 are 12. So here we will add 4 plus 0 4. 2 plus 2 4. Then 1 we will carry down. So we will get 1440 minutes. Now number 3, 3 days 12 hours. Okay, so first days is there. So days we have to convert into hours. So 1 day equal to how many hours? 24 hours. So we are having 3 days. So 3 days equal to 3 multiply by 24. So 24 3s are 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. So we will get 72 hours. So in question we are having 12 hours that we will add. So 72 plus 12 we will get 84. So 84 hours. Now this 84 hours we have to convert into minutes. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So we are having 84 hour equal to 84 multiply by 60. So this we have to multiply. So 80 multiplied by 60. So first we will start with 0. 0 multiplied by 0, 0. 0 8 is 0. So now we will write here 1 0 because 2 digits are there. So now 6 0 is 0. 6 8 is 48. Sorry, 84 multiplied by 60. So 0 4 is 0. 0 8 is 0. Now we will multiply by 6. Before that we will write here 0. So 6 4 is 24. So 4 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. 6 8 is 48. 48 plus 2 50. So we will get 0 4 0 5. So our answer is 5040 minutes. Now number 4, 1 week. So first this week we will convert into days. So 1 week equal to how many days? 7 days. Now these days we will convert into hours. So 1 day equal to how many hours? 24 hours. So we are having 7 days. So 7 days equal to 7 multiplied by 24. So we will get 24 7s 7 4s are 28. 8 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. So 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 2 16. So 168 hours. Now these hours we have to convert into minutes. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So we are having 168 hour. So 168 multiplied by 60. This we have to multiply. So 168 multiplied by 60. So we will start with 0. 0 8 is 0. 0 6 is 0. 0 1 is 0. So we will write here 1 0. Now 6 8 is 48. So 8 we will write down. 4 will be carried over. 6 6 is 36. 36 plus 4 40. So 0 we will write down. 4 will be carried over. So 6 1 is 6. 6 plus 4 10. So we will get, now we have to add 0 8 0 0 1. So our answer is 10,080 minutes.